Okay guys, let me show you something real fast, okay? My Momo steering wheel with my, if you guys remember, my Energy quick release, my Energy hub, right? So here's the deal. I actually ran the wiring, right? The horn wiring all the way to the button, right? Unfortunately, even though I gave it a lot of wiring, every time I steer, the wiring would get caught up and then break the connection, right? So if you guys take a look underneath, I mean, this is the seat belt, no, the airbag sensor relay, right? But here's what I'm talking about. These two little wires right here, the two brown wires, these are actually the original horn button, right? So it goes into there and then it'll connect, and then the old steering wheel, if you take a look, the old steering wheel has a long cable that allows you to go back and forth and everything is good. Unfortunately, even with me adding the long cable, it still would get stuck. So after a while, my horn would stop working. So what I've done was I went to AutoZone, and here's the package that I picked up. It's nothing fancy, but all it's a button relay with a 2 connector. So all I've done so far was I ran the 2 cables to this button. All right, by itself it doesn't work, but if you plug the key in, so bear with me for a minute. Let me find my key. Where is my key? Oh, there it is. My Jeg seat, guys. Right? So, if we were to do this, check this out. So, if I were to show you that I plugged everything in, right? So, check this out. So, all I have to do now is poke a hole, plug this in, right? Plug this in, and then at least then after that, when I do my steering wheels, this is not going to move much, so it's going to be perfect. Granted, the button's going to be down here, but it's a lot better than it getting tugged and getting yanked off. You know what I mean? All right. Talk to you guys later.